Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I had to change this O-ring here out. You can see it's nice and new and beautiful, but this one's beginning to get kind of chewed up a little bit, so we're going to pull it out. This is a brand new O-ring. See, it's nice and round and fat, and this is what happens after. See, this side's nice and round and fat, and this side is flat as a pancake. And you can see where it's chewed up here from just wear, slamming, turning the water off and on through the ball valves and the tools. But it's almost starting to leak and spewing all over the place, and I don't like getting spewed on. So you can to get these out is usually pretty easy. You need some kind of a pick, and these picks you can get from Harbor Freight. A dental pick will work. There's several different angles, from ones that come more of a 90 degree, a circle one. Any of those will work. I usually use the one that comes up and over straight, but I can't find it from this morning, so either it disappeared on me or I misplaced it, but this one should work. And all you do is you just stick something down in there and grab the old one out of that groove. Once you can get into it, not easy all the time. There, oh, almost. Once you can get it out of that little groove, usually it takes two hands. It's hard to hold the phone and work at the same time. Usually it only takes a couple of seconds. Oh, I think I got it. So over here, it's popped up. Then I'm going to reach in, grab it, and pull it out. There we go. So let's see what's causing. Well, I mean, it's not chewed up too bad. It's, of course, I damaged it when I was pulling it out there, but it's beginning to show wear. There's no sense in, these are cheap. So it's easy to change them out, and this one hasn't leaked yet, but that keeps it from leaking on me in the field. Then all we have to do is push it back down into that little groove that's inside there. So usually what I do is I start by just shoving it in there, trying to keep it flat, push it, and then I take my pick and kind of push it down inside. And then a lot of times, once I get it in the groove in one side, I'm going to have to pull up on the other side. Well, and then if it gets all off, you're going to have to redo it. And so it's kind of a push-pull type thing. And as soon as you get into the groove, the proper groove, it's going to be easy. And that's why I have different picks, because different picks are good for different things. But once she's in the groove and I can get it to pop in, like so, and seated, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pinky, because my pinky's small enough, I'm going to stick it in there and twist it all around and just seat it. The other, and then I'm putting it back in the toolbox. Now, the other way I could seat it would be to put it on a tool. Since this is a female, put it on a male connection and quick connect it like so. And that's going to seat it. So once now it's fully seated, and it won't leak. It won't leak on me. I already changed the one in my wand, so it's nice and new and ready. So now I have no leaking, no getting sprayed with water today, which is annoying, because once you get a drip, if you don't have the tools and you don't have extra of the O-rings on you, you're gonna get wet all day. So that's the deal. We got some maintenance done this morning. Got a storm coming in. Hopefully it'll hold off, but we'll see. If it holds off, we'll be in good shape. We can get our job done. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.